Hey guys, I have a few dents in my car and my van, so I got this dent repair kit from Aliexpress. It's 78 pieces, so I'm going to do just an unboxing in this video. I'll do some more videos later trying to get some dents out of my car, but for now I'm just going to show you what's in the kit. And so yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so here it is. See how it comes. The box has been beaten up a little bit. That's just my fault. It's been sitting around for a few weeks. So let's have a look. What's in here? I haven't opened anything yet. I haven't really had a good look into it. So this is the light. It's got all these lines on it, so you can see aberrations in the reflection, and you can fix dents a little bit better, I think. So actually, I don't know if it's a light or if it's just a card. So if you put a reflection up against that, these lines will be warped, and you can tell where the dents are. And it's got a little suction cup and a rod for it. So I guess you can attach that to the paint somewhere, right up against it. And it's got a bag, that's cool. So we'll put everything in the bag after. Specification, got some instructions on here. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's see what's in here. Got a chamois. Got a little hammer. By the way, this kit is about, I'd guess around 110 US, 160 Australian shipped. And it took about, I think, 2 weeks to arrive, so it's pretty quick. So we got a hammer, got some glue sticks, got these, I'm not too sure what these are. I think maybe you glue these on, you pull them off or something. Got this thing. So I think you attach this end, you glue something to the paint, and you just hit it like that. And it's got a thingy on it as well, some kind of handle. Oh, okay, so that goes onto the end of that. Let's see. Seems like that goes like that. And then you would smack it like that and pull a dent out. And heating tool. That's this glue gun. So you glue, let's see. Yeah, you glue these onto it and you pull them off somehow. Or these, some other style of tag or whatever. More. You've got this jack, hand jack. Just open that up. So that's pretty cool. So I guess you would pull it and you would, yeah. What else we got in here? Got some spatulas, spray bottle, and I think that's come off this thing. I think that's everything in this kit. Put that back on. Oops. Alright, Alright, so I put everything in the bag. Everything fits except for this thing. It's about twice the size of it. And I've worked out the price. It's 110 US or 172 Australian dollars including shipping. And yeah, I think it's going to be worth it. As long as I can get a couple dents out, then it's going to pay for itself. And yeah, so this is just unboxing. I'll make some more videos later trying to get some dents out of my van and my car. And yeah, links in the description if you're interested. Links in the description. That's where I bought this one from. Click on it and buy your own if you're interested. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.